Hello students. Students, now we are going to solve the questions of exercise number 3.5. In this exercise, the questions based on the cross multiplication method, but in the year 2020-21, cross multiplication method is removed from your syllabus. So we will solve the question of this exercise by either of graphical representation or by substitution method or by elimination method. Clear? So in the first question, which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution or infinitely many solutions? In case there is unique solution, find it. I am writing only find it. Find it by either of graphical method or by substitution method or by elimination method. Clear? Students, one thing you all know that if two lines are intersecting, then the condition was A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. That means we will get unique solution. That means we will get unique solution. And the condition for lines are having infinitely many solutions. The condition is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. That means infinitely many solutions. Clear? And the third condition was A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. That means we don't have any solution, or we will write no solution. In this condition, lines were parallel. In this condition, lines are on each other, that is dependent equations, and in this condition lines are intersecting. Okay, so here we have given two equations and we have to find whether these given equations are the pair of intersecting lines or parallel lines or dependent lines. Clear? That means coincident lines. So we have to find, whenever we have to find, we will go through this. That means we have to check whether these conditions are applying or not. Clear? So we will write here comparing these equations with A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0 respectively. Respectively means पहले इक्वेशन को पहले कंडीशन से, पहले की इक्वेशन से और दूसरे इक्वेशन को इस इक्वेशन से. Clear? So here we get A1 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to minus 3 and C1 is equal to minus 3. Similarly, A2 is equal to 3, B2 is equal to minus 9 and C2 is equal to minus 2. Clear, students? Now we will check, we will find the ratios. Okay, so now A1 upon A2 is equal to 1 upon 3, B1 upon B2 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 9, that is 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9 is equal to again 1 upon 3, and C1 upon C2 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 2, minus minus cancel, is equal to 3 upon 2. Here we will write clearly A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. That means third condition is satisfying. So we will write, hence the given pair of lines having no solutions. Clear, students? So in this way you have to go with other questions.